In order to activate the parking brake option for this car, come towards your right side. Right here you would see a parking button. All you have to do is just lift up that parking button upside. You will hear a background sound coming out, and right there on the speedometer the parking sign is activated. Now suppose you want to turn off the parking brake while the car is turned on. This time you would have to come down right there. We'll press and hold that brake pedal in the middle. Again, come back to that switch on your right side. This time we will press it downwards. One more time you will hear a background sound coming out, and on the speedometer the parking sign is not there anymore. Now suppose the car is turned off and you still want to activate the parking brake option. It works the same as if the car was turned on. You come back to that switch on the right side. One more time, lift it upside. Once again you will hear the background sound coming out, and right there on the speedometer the parking sign is activated. But suppose you want to disengage the parking brake while the car is turned off. The bad news is you cannot do that. You would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. Like in this case, if I come down, press and hold that brake pedal one more time, then again come back to that switch on the right side. No matter how many times I press the button downwards, you would notice the red light stays on the switch, and on the speedometer the parking sign is also right there. So you would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.